Hi everyone, I've just come to share with you a guest design team project for ARTYmaze. ARTYmaze is a digital journal kit seller on Etsy, and this is one of our latest journals, and it's called Birds and Butterflies, and it's all pretty and it's very vintage as well. So I've created this journal. It's turned into like another chunky one. I think it's got 96 pages front and back. It's a clasp envelope. I have inked all around the edges of that using ground espresso, and I use the stain for that rather than the re-inkers. One signature sewn in, got some crochet trim here, and it's all been Mod Podged, so it's nice and sturdy. So let's find the ends of this. It's got some seam binding, which has been dyed in the espresso coffee distress ink, which it didn't actually come out that dark, but I like how it came out anyway. I've just stamped this sentiment on here and just put some fibres behind there, and let's go inside. So I've left it plain here so that you can write on there. The pages are absolutely adorable. Just made a pocket here. I've got some ephemera in there as well. There is lots of places to journal as normal, and there's journaling cards and tags from the kit. I've used these pockets and left them open at the side so that you can tuck bigger things in there. Pages, I've got lots of journaling space on them as well. That flips up. Here's some little tiny tags from little banners from the collection. And these little tickets are so cute, and I've just kept them there like that. You can just write some little notes on there. These are from, there's two there, so I just folded them in half and you can write inside there. I've just put a paper clip and some eyelash trim on there. I've added some bird ephemera that I had in my stash. We've got some doilies and some crochet trim there as well. Sorry, I keep knocking the camera. Envelope pocket with some ephemera. Done some corner punching. These pockets come with the kit, and these are the perfect size to put on your flip. I think I've glued that together on your flip pockets. Just some more ephemera that I had, and it's just been coffee dyed. Some envelopes from the kit with some journaling cards inside there. There's quite a few envelopes with this kit. Doily, half page. These corner tucks come with the kit as well. It's got some oval tags and tags from the kit. A flip up here. Some more ephemera from the kit. Some more of these little tickets. Aren't they gorgeous? Some more of the mason jars, and you can journal inside there. Just use one of the tickets here, well, banners I should say, and that's just been, these have all been backed onto some cardstock. Another one of these pockets, another envelope, just got some paper inside, and that's how it looks. Another tag. Just done a belly band here, and it's got some sari ribbon and a rosette flower. Another tuck there. Got a belly band here, and another envelope, some paper inside. And that just goes in there. Middle of the signature, it's got hearts on a string. Another envelope with some paper in it from the kit. And this is just some birdie ephemera that I have. Some more tags and ephemera. Done another belly band the same with a rosette flower. I had 2 pieces left over from a length, so I just used it in that. Some more ephemera. Love these birdies. Flips up, flips down. And there's a nice shimmer on the pages as well, where I used my coffee dyed water on there, and it's got some micro powders in it, so it's nice and shiny. Some more of these little tickets. And of course that flips up. Some more tags and ephemera, and you can put things inside there. Another tuck there. Some more ephemera. This one here isn't from the kit, but all this is. And some more little tickets. They're gorgeous. It does like them. And these little banners are from the kit, and I just stuck a butterfly on there with some sticky pearls. And this again, these you just cut them down and stick them on there. Perfect. You could glossy accent them and stickle them up. So there's lots and lots of journaling space and tuck spots, and a journaling spot in there, and that is more or less the journal. And that is the back page. So that's the journal. Like I said, I will link everything below in the description box. So if you haven't already gone over and checked out ARTYmaze, then the link will be below for you to go and do that. The kits are gorgeous. And this will also be listed on my Etsy if anyone's interested. So there you go, it's lovely, I like it. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.